US vs Iran, are we on the brink of war? Imagine a single strike across the Persian Gulf that could ignite a conflict shaking the entire Middle East. Could the tensions between the US and Iran spiral into a full-scale war? Today, we're diving deep into what's happening, why the world is watching closely, and what this could mean for everyone. The relationship between the United States and Iran has been tense for decades. The 1979 Iranian Revolution, which led to the overthrow of the Shah and the hostage crisis that left deep scars in US-Iran relations. Since then, Iran's nuclear ambitions, regional influence, and support for proxy groups have consistently raised alarms in Washington. The 2015 nuclear deal, formerly known as the Joint Action JCPOA, temporarily eased tensions. However, when the US withdrew in 2018 and reinstated sanctions, hostility intensified. Over the years, smaller confrontations, attacks in Iraq, and clashes in the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most strategic waterways. Today, these historical conflicts set salt flashes. Iran has grown stronger in its regional influence, while the US maintains a significant military presence across the Gulf. The strategic stakes are high, not just for both nations, but for global trade, energy markets, and regional stability. Understanding this history is key to grasping why any military action now carries enormous consequences. The tension escalated sharply in February 2026. The United States conducted targeted airstrikes on Iranian military positions, citing the regional allies and American forces. Iran responded swiftly, launching missiles and deploying drones against US and allied positions, including attacks on commercial ships. Gulf. These strikes have already caused significant casualties and infrastructure damage, although both sides have avoided a full-scale declaration of war. Analysts warn that the region could quickly spiral into uncontrolled conflict if miscalculations continue. Headlines around the world describe this as the most serious US-Iran confrontation in years. The situation is fluid. Both countries appear willing to back down, yet both are aware of the catastrophic potential of a wider war. The international community, including the UN, is calling for restraint. China and European nations watch closely, ready to mediate or potentially exploit the situation. The stakes of this confrontation are enormous. For the Middle East, a country zone face direct risk, while the Strait of Hormuz, the passage for roughly 20% of the world's oil supply, has become a flashpoint. Any disruption here could cause global oil prices to skyrocket and destabilize markets worldwide. For global powers, the US and Iran confrontation is more than a regional matter. China, Russia, and Europe are closely monitoring events, concerned about both energy security and strategic alliances. Any misstep could escalate into a broader international crisis. Economically, billions of dollars of trade could be affected, and humanitarian consequences would be significant if a wider war breaks out. The situation also carries psychological weight. The constant threat of attacks has already raised tensions among civilians and governments alike. This is a conflict not confined to military measures. The ripple effects could touch energy, trade, and diplomacy worldwide. The possibility of full-scale war remains real. Analysts compare military capabilities. The United States possesses unmatched air power, advanced missiles, and satellite intelligence, while Iran has strategic missile programs, drones, and regional allies in proxy networks. Scenarios experts consider vary. Limited strikes could keep tensions contained, but might drag on for months or years. On the other hand, a full-scale confrontation would bring devastating consequences for the region and potentially beyond. Cities could face destruction, oil trade could be halted, and global economies would face shocks. Human consequences would be catastrophic. Millions would be displaced, casualties could rise sharp, and regional instability could fuel terrorism and further unrest. While diplomacy is still possible, each day of military escalation increases the risk of miscalculation. One wrong strike could set off a chain reaction no one can control. Diplomatic efforts are still ongoing. The United Nations and NATO attempting to mediate, urging both sides to avoid further escalation. Analysts suggest several outcomes: de-escalation through negotiation, a limited conflict, or worst case, full-scale war. Public opinion also plays a role. In Iran, many support defending national sovereignty, while some call for restraint. In the equal divisions influence decisions, with some advocating for strong military responses and others urging diplomacy. The world watches, aware that even a small misstep could have far-reaching consequences. Experts continue to warn escalation is not inevitable, but tensions are at their highest in years. Any resolution will require careful diplomacy, clear outside pressure from global powers. Until then, the region remains on edge, and the potential for a crisis affecting millions continues to grow. The stakes are massive, are high, and the world is watching closely. Will this crisis be contained, or could it escalate into full-scale war? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for updates on this unfolding situation.